Welcome back to this Introduction to Programming in Visual Basic for Applications. In this video, we will be taking a look at the Integrated Development Environment, or IDE, that you will be using. The Integrated Development Environment is a software application that provides comprehensive facilities to computer programmers for software development. While there are many standalone IDE applications, we will be using the onboard IDE attached to the Microsoft Office suite of products. Each of the applications in the Microsoft Office suite have a slightly different way of accessing the IDE through menus. For instance, it is located in the Developer menu for Microsoft Excel. However, the keyboard shortcut is the same for all applications, and therefore I would suggest that you get in the habit of using it. The keyboard shortcut is Alt F11. This is the IDE. The taskbar contains a large variety of functions which can be used for debugging, building your code, configuring your IDE, etc. To the left, you will see the Project Explorer. This will allow you easy access to all of the different modules, forms, and classes in your project. To access the code of a module, you need to right-click the module, then select View Code. At the bottom of the window, you will see the console or immediate window. This provides an output for the debug print command, or allows you to execute a line of code immediately to see what will happen. The majority of the screen is taken up by the code space. This is where you will be doing the majority of your work. You can personalize your IDE by selecting the Tools menu, then click on Options. Your IDE will likely appear quite different in format from mine. I use a high visibility theme with my editor to make it easier to read. However, you can adjust the display in any way you want from here. Another of the menu options you will find yourself using quite regularly down the track is the Reference Library. This allows you to utilize commands and functions from other programs and established DLL libraries. This is accessible from the Tools menu. I'm not going to walk you through every menu option at this time, but I would encourage you to explore some of these yourself, as many of them will come in handy once you begin developing code in earnest. Probably the most important thing you need to know in the IDE is how to run your code. The Run button is quite visible as a green triangle on the taskbar, akin to the Play button for any of you old enough to have had a VCR during your lives. The F5 key will also run your code. Code can be run one line at a time. This can be useful for identifying where things go wrong or better understanding how the code works. This is achieved by pressing F8. You will then need to hit F8 again for each line. When code is running, holding the Control and Break keys will stop the code from running. Break is located on your keyboard above the Page Up key. This is just a simple overview of the IDE. There are many more features on board that you will undoubtedly come to use as your programming acumen grows. However, this is enough to get you started on your journey.